Wow, huge news from Shopify, just released in the last 24 or 48 hours. But basically, it's called Shopify Audiences, and it's a new way to target your ads on Facebook and Instagram and essentially find net new customers. I mean, there were some rumors early in the year that Shopify was maybe going to release their own ad platform, but I don't think that made sense. I mean, they have the Shop app where, you can track all your purchases in one location. Well, that's more for shipping and stuff. But this makes sense because all it's doing is, I mean, they have so much data on all the merchants that use the platform, so much data on customers, all first party data for the customers. And then I guess what they're going to do is if you're able to log into this and get access, like you can download probably hashed or like, well, I don't know what the word is, but encrypted data of a bunch of customers from all merchants, maybe in the US or like all over the world. I'm not sure. And then essentially you can download that customer file and then upload it to Facebook, either to target directly or to create lookalikes of. So, I mean, this is amazing, right? Because lookalikes in the last like 6 or 8 months from Facebook haven't been working that well with the iOS updates, but hopefully this data will be even better. I know in the past, second party data like hasn't worked that well. You could always find platforms that were like selling you, customer lists and this and that, but it was like so hard to trust that. But with Shopify, I mean, you can definitely trust the data that they're going to share. So they're just giving you a few examples here. Like, yeah, it'll obviously help decrease the cost of conversions, like increased upper funnel targeting, which is like the main goal for everyone. Wow, they have their own algorithm over time that's going to find new audiences, create lookalikes. Yeah, so right now it's only available for Facebook and Instagram ads, which is amazing. I mean, that's what most of us care about. You can create it all in one place. There's a little video you can watch. So right now it's only for Shopify Plus merchants. So all you have to do is like go to shopify.com/audiences and then, like get started and see if your store is eligible. I tried it with a few of my merchants. Not everyone is eligible yet, but I feel like they have to kind of open it up to everyone because I'm assuming they need more and more people to use this over time. But I'll let you know once I test it for my clients because it could be amazing or it could just be uh, quite shit. But either way, it's free to use. So if you have it, it's definitely worth testing. Okay, here are 3 reasons why Shopify's new audience tool could be better than any other first, second, or third party like audience sharing tool, like whatever you want to call it. So number one, as of December 2021, Shopify had close to 2 million merchants on the platform, which is massive. More than that, number two, 457 million buyers just in 2020. So they're averaging, close to 400 million buyers a year across the world, which is insane. So just imagine the amount of data that they have on those customers, names, addresses, emails, everything. And then number three, they had a gross merchandise volume of 175 billion last year. So that's like the total transactions processed on the Shopify platform from all its merchants across the whole world, which is just insane. So that's it. Definitely go get that bag.